Today we're taking a look at the Palantir Technology stock, ticker symbol PLTR, in anticipation of the upcoming Wednesday, March 13th, 2024 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. On Tuesday, March 12th, 2024, trading for the Palantir Technology stock began at $25.57, closing at $24.70, marking a 2.56% decrease throughout the day, with price fluctuations ranging from $25.35 to $24.70. The trading activity witnessed 74.8 million shares exchanged, totaling around $1.85 billion, showcasing a trading range spanning from $24.35 to $25.64. It's worth noting that the stock's 52-week high hit $27.50, while its low touched $7.28. Comparing to the prior trading day, there was a surge of 15 million shares traded, signaling a decrease in stock price. This positions the stock as somewhat reliable with a low likelihood of distress. In terms of moving averages, the short term suggests a sell signal, while the long term maintains a buy signal. However, with the short-term average position higher than the long-term, a buy signal is indicated, projecting a more optimistic forecast. Additionally, breaching the long-term average prompts a buy signal, signaling a positive outlook. Conversely, dipping below the short-term average generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable trajectory. The stock exhibits a strong bearish 3-day candlestick pattern coupled with robust 3-day distribution, alongside a significant bearish 1-day money flow. Furthermore, there are indications of a bearish advance block pattern, bearish deliberation pattern, and bearish doji star pattern on the 30-minute time frame, all with moderate reliability, pointing towards a bearish reversal. Considering the current short-term trend, there's an expectation of a rise in the stock price. As of the latest trading session, the most recent daily candlestick on the chart exhibits a red hue, signaling the prevailing dominance of sellers, commonly referred to as bears, in the market. This bearish sentiment was evident throughout the session, characterized by a trading volume of 74.8 million shares, which surpasses the typical average volume of 72.3 million shares observed for Palantir Technologies. Currently, the stock is positioned within the upper spectrum of its yearly price range. However, it's worth noting that Palantir Technologies is currently trading below its 5-day and 10-day exponential moving averages, as well as its simple moving averages, while maintaining positions above its 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day exponential and simple moving averages, indicating a favorable trend overall. Taking a closer look at the daily technical aspects, several indicators provide insights. The average true range indicator suggests reduced volatility, while the commodity channel index, average directional index, and stochastic indicators remain neutral. Conversely, the ultimate oscillator and Williams percent range indicators reflect negativity, while the relative strength index, MACD, and rate of change indicators depict positivity. Considering these technical signals collectively, the alignment leans toward a positive sentiment, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. However, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of relying solely on technical indicators for substantial outcomes. Looking ahead to the trading day on Wednesday, March 13th, 2024, it's prudent to consider key price levels. If the stock price remains below $24.90, the potential for downside movement increases, whereas trading above $24.90 suggests a higher probability of an upward trajectory. According to the closing price from the previous trading session, the present pivot point for this particular stock stands at the $24.90 mark. Additionally, there is notable support observed at levels of $24.51, $24.10, and $23.60, while resistance is evident at $25.05, $25.39, $25.69, and $26.19. For the upcoming trading day, let's explore a variety of potential trades for the Palantir Technologies stock, encompassing both bullish and bearish perspectives. I'll outline 2 bullish scenarios and 2 bearish scenarios, leveraging the insights gleaned from the provided data. Feel encouraged to delve into other trade possibilities based on your outlook towards the stock, whether it leans towards optimism or pessimism. Remember the dynamics of support and resistance levels. Breached supports often turn into resistance, while surpassed resistances typically act as supports. Consider initiating a bullish trade by opening a long position if, within the initial 30 minutes of trading, the stock maintains $24.51 as a supportive level. Aim to enter the trade as near to this support level as possible, bearing in mind the short-term nature of this trade. If you're eyeing Palantir Technologies for a bullish play, your goal is likely to capitalize on intraday movements. Therefore, I suggest considering profit-taking around the resistance level of $25.05 for this initial bullish trade. A second bullish opportunity arises if the $25.05 resistance is breached and holds as support for a significant period beyond the first half hour of trading. In such a scenario, contemplate initiating a long position close to this newfound support level. When it's time to secure profits from this second bullish trade, targeting the subsequent resistance at $25.39 could be prudent. It's wise to close your position gradually, perhaps in 25% increments, as the stock progresses, rather than all at once. For a bearish stance, consider shorting or adding to short positions if the stock maintains $25.05 as a resistance for at least 30 minutes post-market opening. This too is intended as a short-term maneuver. Similarly, if you're considering a bearish move on Palantir Technologies, your aim is likely intraday profit-taking. In this context, beginning to secure profits around the $24.51 support level for the initial bearish trade is advisable. In a second bearish scenario, keep watch if the $24.51 support level is breached and holds as resistance for a substantial duration after the market opens. In such circumstances, initiating a short trade position close to this new resistance level could be appropriate. When deciding on profit-taking for this second bearish trade, looking towards the subsequent support level at $24.10 might be opportune. As with bullish trades, closing positions gradually in increments, such as 25%, is a recommended approach to managing risk and optimizing gains. As the market landscape continues to evolve, stay vigilant, adapt your trading strategy with agility, and leverage the rich array of insights provided in this comprehensive analysis. May your trades be astute and your financial endeavors thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!